This is a brand new 2013 Chevrolet Avalanche. It has a 5.3-liter, 8-cylinder engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. All of the following features are included: a heated steering wheel, a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a parking camera, traction control and stability control systems, side curtain airbags, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, and the heated seats can warm you up in seconds, keeping you and your passengers comfortable the whole trip. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.